So I'm lost. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. And I'm looking for my family. I guess I got my uncle. Okay, now I'm bored. And hungry. I'm still lost. All I smell is weed, mustiness, and dirty water. Oh, and exploding fireworks. I don't know how people say this is romantic. Like, bruh, there's nothing romantic about bringing your girl or boy here. This shit dead ass whack. So I found them. I'm here with Donna. Hi, Donna. Donna has a video. Say hi to Facebook. Hi, está Facebook. China habla pa mi vlog. Dile algo mi vlog.
I'm getting a divorce.
China. Vamos a comer Bow's Kitchen.
Oh my god, so wet.
Oh my god, China.
Wants kitty cat.
Kitty cat? What the hell? Get it ready. I'm scared.
Todo comienza, una miradita tensa. Salimos a cenar, luego nos fuimos a pasear y entre medio nos dimos unos tragos de más. Lugar indicado donde era inevitable. Tu cuerpo y el mío gritaban. Para que bien te ve, pon la mano en la pared, lentamente mueve. Matamos, te aseguramos esta gana que tenemos. Súbele la música, tú dime más.
This is only my 4th McDonald's that I try to come to. Hi, yes. Can I have a Southwest salad with grilled chicken?
Okay.
Yeah, and a small fry.
Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Happens to me all the
I
time.
don't have grilled chicken right now.
You don't? Okay. Dang it. Crispy chicken?
Yes.
Alright, so that.
What kind of dressing did you want?
The one that comes with it, the spicy one? Sure.
Okay.
And then a small fry.
And a what? I'm sorry.
A small fry.
Okay.
A 4-piece nugget.
Okay.
And a medium high C.
What kind of sauce for the 4-piece?
Honey mustard.
So just a medium high C Southwest salad with 50 chicken, 4-piece and a small fry?
Yep.
Okay. So it's 11:36.
Okay, thank you. Yep, this is what I do when I eat. I lay everything on the floor. Look at how many pieces of chicken they give me. What the fuck? This is why I hate going when there's a rush, because I know they're gonna fuck up somewhere. And yeah, I'm about to watch Charles' videos. And then Travi. Oh god, I'm so hot. I don't want to put the air conditioner on because it's too loud. It's too loud. Betrüges. Coinstar. Let's do it. Holy shenanigans, look at that, $9 already. I'm gonna be rich. Bored. Got that shmoney. Yep. So now what? Well, I know what now. We're gonna hit the strip joint, catwalk, lit. Where am I?